Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix call recording option is not showing on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem but you don't know that how can you fix this. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings and you have to make sure that you have an active internet connection and go back and then tap on VPN and you have to make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there isn't connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and from here guys simply tap on screen time, scroll down, tap on content and price restriction and turn this to all off. After turning it off, then you have to just simply tap on general and then tap on software update and update your device to the latest version of iOS 18.1. If you don't have updated your device to the latest version of iOS 18.1, then you have to just simply update it, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If you still have this problem, then you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of iPhones. So guys, because it's available on the latest model of iPhone, so after making sure that you are using the latest version of iPhone, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.